2000 Jeep Cherokee. As you guys can see, it's got factory manifold up there, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into a factory converter right there. Then he brought his own Banks monster system, catback, right there. And we installed it for him, clamped everything on. There's the tailpipe all the way out. There's the part number on the Banks system, Banks 51360. We'll see if there's a link in the description we can get for you guys. But it's a 2.5-inch system right there. That's the tailpipe all the way, and it's dumped like factory. He had some flow effects on it before, and a factory tailpipe right there. He took that off, and then we put him a bank system in its place right there, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. This is what it sounds like, guys. 4.0 liter. Not bad. What do you guys think? It's deep. There's sound decibels. 94. Barely got to it, so it's not really loud. It's more deep than loud. Good looking Jeep. Got a nice stance to it. You don't find them this clean. It's a clean one. Let you guys hear on the inside.